What's up everyone? The launch of our holiday giveaway starts tomorrow. I'm super excited to share my custom creations and hopefully you'll be one of our lucky winners. So in today's video we're drawing Iron Man from Fortnite Marvel Heroes. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw the top edge of the brow. We're going to start all the way over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that comes down the middle, round this out, and then pull that up on the right side. Let's angle down the side of the eyes on the left. Just draw a short line coming down. Do the same thing on the right. Now from here it's going to follow that same curve coming in. Down and then into right about there. Let's line this up on the right. Do the same thing. And we'll pull up the inside of the eyes. On the left, angle up and in underneath the brow. Let's go to the bottom corners of the eye and draw a short angled line going up and out towards the side of the head. And then from here we draw a straight line coming down towards the jaw. Now we want to round out the bottom of the jaw coming in towards the side of the chin. Let's start on the left side. Come down, and then just bend that in to right about there. Line this up on the right, going out, and then up. Let's flatten off the bottom of the chin. On the left side we draw a straight line going all the way across towards the right. Let's separate the chin. From the bottom corners, draw a short line going up. And we'll close off the top with a straight line. Now from the top corners of the chin, we're going to curve up and out towards the side of the head. Let's start with the left. Bend this up and then out towards the side. Let's go over towards the right, going up and then out. Let's go up and draw in the mouth, starting on the left. Draw a straight line going across. And it'll angle down and out. Now going back to the top corner of the chin, we're going to follow that same curve, going out and then up. And we'll pull this straight up underneath the cheeks. I'm also going to add a thick edge along the inside. From the top, we're going to step in, draw a short line coming down, and we'll follow that same curve. Down and then in. Let's extend the side of the head. Starting back on the left, continue that straight line going up to right about there. And then we'll connect the tops with the curve. Starting back on the left, just going to round this out, go up in the middle, come out, and then down on the right. Let's go to the top corners of the eyes and draw two straight lines going up. Start with the left side, going up to right about there. And we'll angle up and in. And it'll come down and in towards the middle with a straight line. And then we'll close off the center with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's go back down to the side of the head, draw a short angle line coming down, line this up on the right, and then we'll angle that up and out towards the side of the head. Let's add a cover around the side of the head. Starting on the left, just going to curve out, down, and then in, just up above the jaw. Now that we've drawn in the head, let's move down and draw the sides of the body. We'll start over on the left side, underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip, go over towards the right, going out, and then down towards the same height. Let's add a short line coming down and in from the hips. On the left, coming down and in. We'll angle up and in with a short line. Close off the center with a straight line. Let's add a circle in the center of the body, starting right in the middle, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up. And we'll trace that circle along the inside. Now I'm going to move up above that circle, draw a straight line going across the middle, and then from the ends we're going to angle up and out underneath the head. And then from the bottom of the circle we'll step down, draw another straight line going across, and then from the ends we'll angle up and out towards the side of the body. From the outside edge of the chest we're going to curve in and then down towards this point. In and down. Also going to do the same thing on the right side. And we'll add a seam in between, starting back on the left, curve down, and then up. Let's continue working down with the legs. In the center, we're going to step down and draw a curve from left to right, and up, and then down. And then leaving a small gap in the center, let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out, and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out, and down towards the right heel. Now we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, let's curve the foot coming down, and then up towards the toe. Let's go back to the left side and draw on the top of the foot. From the toe, we'll draw almost like a half circle, aiming towards the heel. We'll stop right about there. And we'll draw a straight angle line going up and in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up towards the top, and aiming towards the heel, angle up and in. Now we're going to move back up to the hips and draw on the outside of the leg. Let's start from the left. Curve out, and then down on top of the foot. From the top of the foot, we're going to step up on the outside, curve down, and then up. We'll line this up on the right, and do the same thing. And then we'll separate out the knee. From the top of the boot, we step up, draw a short line coming in, line this up on the right, and then from the inside, we'll angle down and in toward the top of the boot. Now I'm going to move back up to the hips, step down, curve in, and then down, sort of aiming towards the lower torso. Draw a straight line coming down. And then from here, we're just going to curve down and then in. Let's go back up to the top point, angle up and in with a short line, and then close this off with a straight line. I'm also going to add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. We're going to take this curve, step up from the toe, just trace that across. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway between the chin and the hip. So starting right here, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist, go over towards the right, and do the same thing. And then from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle, curving in, and then back out. And then at the bottom of the thumb, we're going to draw a small circle. Do the same thing on the right. Start with the thumb, and then we'll add that circle. Now we're going to add in the fingers. We're going to start from the bottom of the thumb, curve down around that circle, and then go up, step down, curve down and up, second finger. And then the third finger, we're going to go out, round up the arm, pull that up and in underneath the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to go in and start adding some detail. Let's start from the top of the wrist, curve up, and then out on both sides. And then from the top of that circle, we're going to angle up and in toward the top of the thumb. Let's go halfway along the inside of the arm. So right here we're going to curve up and then out. Line this up on the right. And then from the inside of that line, we'll step down, curve out, and then down towards the wrist. Let's separate out the shoulder. From the top of the body, we'll step down, curve down, and then up towards the outside. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. And then from the top of the body, we're going to curve out and then down towards the bottom of the shoulder. Let's add a hinge in the center of the arm. Starting up here, we're going to draw a half circle, coming down and then up. Do the same thing on the right side. And that's pretty much it. There's Iron Man from Fortnite, Marvel Heroes. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.